Hello, and welcome to video 5 of the 2022 Standards of Practice video series. This video introduces RMTs to CMTO's Standard Spotlights. So what are the Standard Spotlights? The Standard Spotlights are designed to help RMTs reflect on whether they are practicing in a way that meets the expectations in the new Standards of Practice. The Spotlights are educational resources that RMTs can use to support application of the new standards. So how can RMTs use the new Standard Spotlights? There is one spotlight for each of the 13 standards of practice. Spotlights consist of a single page of information about the expectations for a standard and guidance about why those expectations are important to practice. RMTs may find the highlights in a spotlight helpful to understanding the expectations and the reasons why those expectations are important. Each spotlight also contains questions to help RMTs reflect on whether their practice meets the expectations of the new standards. For example, in the Standard Spotlight for Consent, one question asks RMTs to consider how they obtain informed consent from clients. Answering that question requires RMTs to reflect on their consent process, which they can then use to compare with the requirements in the new standard. RMTs do not need to submit answers to these questions to CMTO. Instead, they can use the questions to consider how the standards relate to their practice. The Standard Spotlights are available on CMTO's website. Over the coming months, CMTO will continue to provide guidance and resources about the new standards through Touchpoint and email. We'll also share links to helpful guidance on our website. Please continue to stay connected to us through these channels and reach out to our practice specialist with any questions.